Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'll tell you about the cheapest protein powder. You'll get 33 grams of protein from this 100 gram protein powder. This protein is rich in calcium, iron, vitamins and antioxidants. In this way, it will also increase your immunity. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take 250 grams of roasted chickpeas. This chickpea is only 25 rupees. You will get 48 grams protein. This should be fresh and crispy. There should be no moisture in it. Mash it and separate its peel. Separate hard chickpeas also. Remove their peels and clean them. If you have this type of chickpea, you can use it. Take 250 grams of peanuts. These peanuts are only 30 rupees. You will get 65 grams of protein. These are roasted peanuts. If you have not roasted peanuts, you can take raw peanuts. You can roast them in a heavy bottom pan on low heat. After roasting, its peel separates very easily. Take 125 grams of soya chunks. These soya chunks are only 10 rupees. You will get 65 grams of protein. These are big soya chunks. Grind them in the mixer, then roast. If you have fine soya, there is no need to grind. You can roast it as it is. Grind soya chunks. Not required to grind fine. Just grind it a little coarsely. Well grind. Roast in a heavy bottom pan. Roast on a low flame while stirring continuously. Roast it so much that a nice aroma starts coming from it and its color changes slightly. Its color changed and it was well roasted. Grind half chickpeas, half peanuts and 3 tablespoons roasted soya powder. This mixture is coarsely ground. I'll grind it at once. It has to be ground so much that a fine powder is separated. It is very finely ground. Grind in a big sieve. This protein powder is prepared very cheaply. Everyone can make it. It is made on a very low budget. The ingredients we have used are easily available. This protein powder is very finely prepared. Add 1 scoop of protein powder. Add 2 ripe bananas. Bananas should be completely ripe. Add soft dates without seeds. Add half a glass of milk and prepare a shake. The combination of milk and bananas helps to gain weight. If you want to gain weight, you can take this shake twice a day. Add the remaining milk and grind at once. In this way, a very good shake is prepared. A creamy protein shake is ready. It is very healthy and delicious protein shake. Both children and adults can drink it. This is perfect for everyone. You can take this protein shake 2 hours before and 2 hours after your workout. Store protein powder properly. The container or bottle in which you store it should be made of glass. It should be airtight too. If you store it like this, your protein powder will stay fresh for 1 month without any preservative. We have not added any sugar, flavor, color or preservatives. This protein powder is 100% pure. If you don't want to buy costly protein powder from the market and if you want to make protein powder cheaply, then you can make it this way. It is very healthy. It is prepared with very few ingredients and very cheaply. Please make this protein powder at once. How did you like this video of protein powder? How was your protein powder made and how did you benefit from it? Please comment. See you soon with a delightful recipe. and you can watch these two videos for more informative knowledge.